Can an LLC be a C corporation? Yes, an LLC can elect to be taxed as a C corporation by filing Form 8832 with the IRS. This changes how your LLC's income is taxed, but does not change the fact that your business is legally an LLC. With C Corp taxation, the LLC itself pays corporate income tax on its profits. If profits are distributed to members as dividends, those dividends are taxed again on the members' personal tax returns. This is called double taxation. Some LLCs choose this option to take advantage of lower corporate tax rates, reinvest profits into the business, or attract investors. This setup is usually better for larger businesses planning to scale, while most small businesses prefer the default pass-through taxation of an LLC. Zen Business can form your LLC and help with the C Corp election if it's the right move for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.